Hey friends, if Bluetooth is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to add Bluetooth in the Action Center. Now when you open the system tray, we have a few icons here. We may or may not have the Bluetooth icon in this list, and if we don't, it's easy to add it. Simply click on Edit Quick Settings and then click on Add, select Bluetooth and then click on Done. The second solution is to turn on Bluetooth from settings. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Make sure that the switch is on. Now click on devices, because when you click on devices, it will show the list of connected devices. This way you can get an idea whether your device is connected at the first place or not. And if it is not connected, then simply click on add device, select Bluetooth and let it discover it and then connect to the device. The third solution is to disable airplane mode. Now we know airplane mode as a mode in which the internet doesn't work, but as a matter of fact the Bluetooth doesn't work in this mode either. So disable it. And the next solution is to update the Bluetooth drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for Bluetooth. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter, select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. The last solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and then click on run. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.